Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make an egg using paper. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You'll need a few sheets of paper, perhaps in a lovely pastel shade or a vibrant pattern. Grab a pair of sharp scissors, some reliable glue, and a pencil for marking. Having everything ready makes the crafting process smooth and enjoyable. We're aiming for a fun, simple project that anyone can do. Now, let's move on to cutting and shaping. Take your pencil and draw an egg shape on one piece of paper. This will be your template. Carefully cut out this shape, then use it to trace and cut out at least 5 or 6 more identical paper eggs. The more you cut, the fuller your final egg will be. Once cut, fold each paper egg exactly in half down the middle. With your folded egg halves ready, it's time to assemble. Take one folded egg and apply a thin, even line of glue along one of its outer halves. Then, carefully take a second folded egg and press its corresponding half onto the glued section. Repeat this step, adding each subsequent folded egg, one by one. Make sure to align the edges perfectly as you go, creating a layered stack. Almost there. Once all your folded egg pieces are glued together in a stack, it's time for the grand reveal. Gently fan out the layers, carefully opening them to form a beautiful, three-dimensional paper egg. Apply glue to the remaining 2 outer halves and press them together to complete the spherical shape. Let your creation dry thoroughly for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can even add a small loop for hanging.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.